Okay, hey, Brandon Simmons here, and I wanted to shoot a quick live video. A lot of us have a lot of things going on. A lot of us have distractions. And yes, I'm shooting this video in my car, but guess what? I am parked in a parking spot, and I'm safe. I'm not driving and shooting this video because it's so important to do the most important things without being distracted, okay? Now, a lot of us have a lot of things going on in our lives. A lot of us can't even go to the bathroom without bringing our phone with us and scrolling through Instagram and scrolling through Facebook because we're so distracted in today's day and age. So when it comes to real estate investing, when it comes to marketing, a lot of my students get very distracted. They're like, well, I can do RVMs, ringless voicemail. I can do text messaging. I can do cold calls. I can do direct mail. I can do Facebook leads. I can do pay-per-click. And they're doing all these different things and they haven't even done one deal yet. But really what needs to happen is we need to get focused and get really good at doing one thing and build that pillar of marketing and then build the next thing. So if your one thing is cold calling, do cold calling. If your one thing is ringless voice messaging, then do ringless voice messaging. If you're talented and you got the same list, and you want to throw a batch of ringless voicemails in and then cold call, that's fine. But remember, I don't care if it's just real estate investing or life in general, we are all extremely distracted. Okay, so if we can focus on one thing, have one win for the day, it'll get you that much closer to success and that much faster to success. Remember that we need to focus on one thing at a time. The way our brains are wired, we think we can multitask and do all these things all at once. We really can't. We're lying to ourselves. Now, we may be able to automate some of these things and delegate some of these things, but we can only focus on one thing at a time. So if you're trying to do so many things at once, then figure a way to optimize that process, automate it, and then delegate that. And that's from R.A. Meisel. He wrote a great book called The Replacement Founder, and I really love that book because it talks about those things. And there's another great book called The One Thing, okay? The One Thing by Gary Keller is so important because I think we get so distracted and we're trying to do all these things at once, where if we focus on one goal or one strategy or one thing at a time, that is where we'll build upon that one thing to the next thing, and that's how we will get success. So thanks for watching the video. If this is helpful or you have anything that you would like answered in your business or your real estate business, especially in wholesaling, please leave a comment below. Hit the like button, share this please, and I appreciate you watching this. Have a great day. See you.